Good morning students. Today we are going to solve the remaining problems in exercise 2.2. The fourth one is, by how much is 24,387 less than 1,19,989? Question வந்து என்ன கொடுத்திருக்குனா, by how much is 24,387 less than 1,19,989? 1,19,989 விட 24,000 எவ்வளோ கம்மியாக இருக்குது அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. அப்படின்னா இந்த ரெண்டு நம்பர்ஸையும் சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணணும். கிரேட்டர் நம்பரை ஃபஸ்ட் எழுதணும், ஸ்மாலர் நம்பரை செகண்ட் எழுதி சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணணும். 9 minus 7 is 2. 8 minus 8 is 0. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 4 is 5. 2 is greater than 1. So we cannot subtract. Borrow from the before number. So 1 will be changed as 0 and this one will be changed as 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. So the answer is 95,602. Next problem is, find the difference between the largest and the smallest 6-digit number. Largest 6-digit number will be just write 6 9s. Largest 6-digit number will be 9,99,999. Next we are going to write smallest 6-digit number. For smallest 6-digit number you have to write 1 first and put 5 zeros. So the smallest 6-digit number will be 1 lakh. We are going to subtract these two numbers. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 0 is again 9. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. So the answer is 8,99,999. The seventh problem is, out of 78,945 beads placed in a carton, 41,078 are red in color and 22,567 are green in color. Are there beads of any other color in the carton? If yes, how many? The question என்னன்னா, ஒரு கார்ட்டனில் வந்து 78,945 பீட்ஸ் இருக்குது. அதில் 41,078 பீட்ஸ் ரெட் கலர், 22,567 க்ரீன் இன் கலர். வேறு எதுவும் கலரில் பீட்ஸ் இருக்கா அப்படிங்கிறதான் கொஷின். அதை கண்டுபிடிக்க என்ன பண்ணணும்னா, இந்த ரெட் கலர் பீட்ஸையும் க்ரீன் கலர் பீட்ஸையும் ஆட் பண்ணணும். ஆட் பண்ணி வர ஆன்சரை டோட்டல் நம்பர் ஆஃப் பீட்ஸோட சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணணும். சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணால் நமக்கு அதர் பீட்ஸ் இருக்கா இல்லையான்னு தெரிஞ்சிடும். அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும், ஃபஸ்ட்டு க்ரீன் கலர் அண்ட் ரெட் கலர் பீட்ஸை வந்து ஆட் பண்ணணும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் we have to write what is given. Total number of beads is given as 78,945. Next it is given as 41,078 are red in color. Number of red color beads is 41,078. Number of green color beads is given as 22,567. What we are going to do is, we are going to add red color beads and green color beads first. Eight plus 7 is 15. So write 5 here and 1 is carried to next place. 1 plus 7 plus 6 is 14. So write 4 here and 1 will be carried to next place. 1 plus 0 plus 5 is 6. 1 plus 2 is 3. 4 plus 2 is 6. So the answer is 63,645. Next we are going to subtract this from total number of beads. We are going to subtract these two numbers. 5 minus 5 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. 9 minus 6 is 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. 7 minus 6 is 1. So the answer is 15,300. So we have to write as, there are 15,300 beads of other color. Eighth problem is solve these mentally. Solving mentally means we should not use pen or pencil to do calculations in the side. We have to do the calculations mentally. First one is 23,456 minus 0. If we subtract 0 from any number, we will get the same number as answer. So the answer is 23,456. The next one is 78,345 minus 1. The answer will be 78,344. Just reduce 1 from 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. Next, 10,000 minus 100 is 9,900. Next one is 6,28,300 minus 1,000. So, write these two numbers with the place values. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Ones, tens, hundreds and 1,000. So, we are going to reduce this 1 from this thousands place. In thousands place we have 1. 8 minus 1 will be 7. Other numbers will be as it is. 6 lakh. I have to reduce 1 from 8. So, the number will be 7. Other numbers will be as it is. So, the answer is 6,27,300. Now, what is given? Height from the ground is given. It is given as 12,478 meters. the top of the mountain peak is given as 4,824 meters. Now what we have to find? We have to find the height of the mountain peak. Height of the mountain peak equal to 12,478 minus 4,824. If we subtract these two numbers, we will get the height of the mountain peak. 8 minus 4 is 4. 7 minus 2 is 5. 8 is greater than 4. We cannot subtract. So borrow from the before number. So 2 will be changed as 1. And 4 will be changed as 14. Now 14 minus 8 is 6. And 4 is greater than 1. We cannot subtract. So borrow from the before number. So 1 will be changed as 0. And this one will be changed as 11. 11 minus 4 will be 7. So the answer is 7,654 meters. Height of the mountain is 7,654 meter. The 10th problem is, on a certain day, a South Indian outlet in a food court sells food items worth rupees 45,280, while a North Indian outlet in the same food court sells items worth rupees 54,167. Which outlet makes more money and how much more? Estimate the difference to the nearest thousand. Now what is given? South Indian outlet food sold for rupees 45,280. North Indian outlet food sold for rupees 54,167. Now what is given in the question? Which outlet makes more money and how much? Compare these two numbers. 54,167 is greater than 45,280. So North Indian outlet food makes more money. North Indian outlet makes more money. And it is asked how much more. How much more means you have to subtract North Indian and South Indian outlets. Seven minus 0 is 7. 8 is greater than 6, we cannot subtract, so borrow from the before number. So 1 is changed as 0 and 6 is changed as 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. 2 is greater than 0, we cannot subtract. So borrow from the before number. So 4 is changed as 3 and 0 is changed as 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. Here also 5 is greater than 3. We cannot subtract. So borrow from the before number. So 5 is changed as 4 and 3 is changed as 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. 4 minus 4 is 0. So the answer is 8,887. In the question it is asked to estimate the difference to nearest 1000. So write the number of the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds and 1000. Estimation is nothing but rounding off the number. We have to round off to nearest 1000. So choose the thousands place value. Now look at the number, write to it. If the number is 5 or greater than 5, we have to add 1 to the rounding place value and change all the numbers to its right as 0. If the number is less than 5, you have to keep the rounding place value as it is and change all the numbers to its right as 0. Here the number 8 is greater than 5. So add 1 to rounding of place value and change all the numbers to its right as 0. So the estimated difference is we have to add 1 to rounding of place value. 8 plus 1 is 9 and change all the numbers to its right as 0. So the answer is 9,000. Thank you students. We will continue the remaining in the next class.